Let's fill out the California General Power of Attorney together, the document that lets someone you trust handle your money and property. Start with you, the principal. Type your full legal name and where you live. Use your full legal name exactly as it appears on your ID, so there's no doubt who signed. Now name your agent, the person you're giving authority to. Here, Ben Carter, with their address. And name an alternate. Here, Carlos Diaz, in case your first choice can't serve, so your document doesn't stall if something happens. Now the powers. The form lists subjects A through N. To give your agent authority over everything, initial the line in front of N. To grant only some, initial just those specific lines instead. Then choose when it takes effect. Here, effective immediately. One important thing, depending on your state, a general power of attorney may stop working if you become incapacitated. If you want it to keep working no matter what, ask about a durable power of attorney instead. Finally, print your name and date it. Sign it the way your state requires. We'll cover those exact rules in the recap. Then, give a copy to your agent and to anyone they'll deal with, like your bank. First things first. The document needs to contain the date of its execution. Simple enough, right? Just make sure that date is right there in the document. Next up, the power of attorney needs to be signed. Now, it can be signed by the principal themselves, or it can be signed in the principal's name by another adult, but only if that adult is in the principal's presence and acting at the principal's direction. So the principal has to be right there and has to be the one calling the shots. Now, once you've got that signature taken care of, the document needs to be acknowledged before a notary public. So you'll want to make sure a notary is involved in this process. And finally, you'll need witnesses. Not just one, but at least 2 witnesses present for this to be valid. So to recap, include the execution date, get it properly signed, have it acknowledged before a notary public, and make sure you have at least 2 witnesses. Follow all of those steps, and you're on the right track. Remember, this is general information, not legal or tax advice.